This final example is, I guess, a limiting sum question that's kind of in disguise. Here we're given an irrational number, not an irrational number, it is a rational number, but it's written as a recurring decimal, I should say, and we're told to represent it as a fraction. Now be careful here, these two dots above mean we've got recurrence. So if I write this 0.25 with dots above the 2 and the 5, this means I have 0.25252525 repeating. Okay, so we have these 2525 alternating all the way through. Now the trick with a question like this is we need to rewrite this in terms of a limiting sum. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to think about these in pairs. Okay, so this first one, it represents 25 out of 100. This second part, it actually represents 25 divided by 10,000. This third one represents 25 divided by, if I can get it right, what's that, 1 million, okay? And so on. Each extra thing, I'm adding 2 noughts to the denominator. Okay, so I can continue this pattern and so on. This decimal can be written as this infinite sum. And now that I've got this infinite sum, I can work it out as a geometric series, a sum to infinity. If I work out what that sum to infinity, that's going to be the fractional representation of this thing. So let's have a think about what that's going to look like. This particular series, first term is 25 on 100, and the common ratio, well, each time I'm adding 2 zeros to the denominator, so the common ratio is 1 on 100, and that means that this sum here is the limiting sum. It has to be equal to a on 1 minus r, and that's going to be 25 on 100 divided by 1 minus 1 on 100. Now if we tidy that up, 25 on 100, 1 minus 1 on 100 is 99 over 100. That, or division of two fractions, is done by multiplying and flipping the second fraction. These guys are going to cancel, and I'm left with the answer to this being 25 on 99. And we can check that by doing 25 divided by 99. Look at that, I get my recurring decimal here, and I think I can touch this thing. Yeah, I can scroll across a little bit. We can see that that's just alternating 0.2525252525, just like this. So I've written a recurring decimal as a fraction.